How to study on USA online degree. So 10 things employers think about your online degrees. Many employers accept online degrees. Experts say though some still favor the traditional graduates. Discover what employer look for online education's flexibility is deal for those seeking a career exchange. For prospective online student, it's important to consider what employers think about job applicants who don't earn a degree in classroom setting. Here are here are 10 facts to know about how today employers view online degrees. 1. Most employers today accept online degrees. Best online program for veterans. Bachelor, MBA, graduate business, graduate criminal justice, graduate education, graduate engineering, graduate infotech, graduate nursing. How you may like the graduate info, graduate nursing. So I discuss now online best degrees. Best online master in nursing programs. Online. These are the best online master in nursing degree programs that help veterans reduce the cost of school. Rate the best online program methodology. University of South California, University of South Carolina nursing program, veterans nursing program, uh, 1.438 per credit. This is our Stony Brook University. So I request to you both of degree online you will be accept in today. And next most today accepted online degrees. Today US last year got delivery models hiring managers. Uh, four question employers ask about job applicants with online degrees. Employer may inquire about programs, legitimacy, and students' experience working in a team. Found by Jordan. Employers used to a more hesitant to consider hiring job applicants who earned their degrees online, but that perception has changed in the past a few years. Required to say, I think employers, generally speaking, are getting more inclined, more respective to look at people with online degrees, especially in experience roles that they are looking to fill. However, it's still a mixed bag. It is a board range Sakip Harrell, a vice president of client talent execution for going associates in executive search firm. School got better at delivery models, had hiring managers, particularly in the technology industries, become such more comfortable with it. Say Nicole Cos, chief requirement officer, a decision toolbox in nation requirement for. So, career preparation. These increasing acceptance is good news for online students, especially as career perception remains their primary motivation for turning distant learning in the first place. According to the result of 2005 uh, 2015 survey conducted by Aslian Market Research and the Learning House of both of hearing process employer considered several qualities. Uh, why did you choose to purchase an online degree? Some employers may wonder why a job candidate choose to purchase degree online. Says Charles Metchels, founder and CEO of All About People Recruiting Staffing firm based in Arizona. Answering that question can help reveal the candidate's decision making skills, he says. I think from an employer perspective, those are the kind of thing you are looking for some to share to explain when it come to going to a route in traditional setting versus in online setting versus another. He says the question came up in job interviews for bill persons who are MBA programs with specialization in human resource offered through Capella University and online for profit school. Do you help develop skills in teamwork and group collaboration through the program? One of the speak taking about the online degree.